Project name is Soccer Statistics. We are going to focus on different statistics regarding the soccer. The main focus would be on player statistics and club statistics, how the players have transitioned over the years based on different attributes. We start with the default overall rating, and we have the option of choosing different ratings for the players. And when it comes to the league, we can select the league name and we can compare different clubs and how they have performed over the years. This is the landing page of the visualization. We can go for the summary of the visualization here by clicking on About, and it basically shows the summary of the visualization, what all points we have covered over the visualization. And this is the video of the summary. We can navigate to the video, the demo. The Launch Visualization tab navigates to the original visualization, and this is where we go. In summary, these are the contributors for the project. And in the player, by default, we show the overall summary of the player, like the name, the birthday, and the height, weight, and overall rating. To the right of the player, you can see different attributes and what ratings the player have on the attributes. The attributes are laid out in a smart way in order to focus if the player is attacking player or a defensive player. You can see that Lionel Messi is one of the famous attackers. You can see all the attacking attributes are dominated, whereas the defensive attributes are comparatively low. We have the option of changing the player, the initial player, and you basically get the summary of the player. Moreover, you can see how the player has transitioned over the years. And the y-axis essentially represents the attribute we have chosen. It's basically overall rating as of now. And we can choose to compare this player to n number of other players. We use the drop down to add as many players as we wish. And we can see the players being added to the list or towards the right. The color of the name and the color of the line corresponds to the same player. We can add as many players as we wish. And we can choose the attribute also that we wish to compare. And once we add a lot of players, the line chart may get a bit crowded. And for the sake of clarity, we can brush on the number of years and see the summary over the years. Again, the color of the name, the line, and the bar represent the same player. We can hover over the lines to know the player or the bars, and we can see the rating in the tooltip. We can extend this to as many years as possible, and the visualization handles the comparison over the years. We can change the attribute to different attributes. The player might be doing really well in the one attribute, attacking attribute, and defensive players really do well in the defensive attributes. And that is clearly shown in this. Like interceptions is one of a defensive attribute. And you can see attackers such as Di Maria, Karim Benzema do really low in the defensive attributes. Whereas Giorgio Chiellini is a very famous defender. He does really good in that attribute. We can also remove the number of players from the line chart by clicking the cross beside it. And we can brush again to compare the players. Apart from this, we can check the summary and performance of a club over the years. We can select the league which we are interested in, and it essentially shows a heat map which summarizes the total number of points that we can check towards the left in the color legend, and over the years how the league, how the club has fared over the years in that particular league. And the tooltip summarizes the information, the rank of the club in that season, and the points. And we can see that some of the clubs have relegated, and after scoring really low, they are not present in the forward seasons. And we can clearly see that some of the famous clubs, such as Chelsea, have performed really well over the years, and that essentially is an indicator of the number of trophies they have won. And one of the prominent clubs, Manchester United, have also done really good. And the top of the visualization, you can change the league, and it essentially shows the summary of the clubs in that league. Here are the links for the process book and the demo.